Hello and welcome. My name is Aram Yako. In this tutorial I will explain what null-coalescing operator is. A null-coalescing operator is when you use two question marks to do an operation. So let me show what this replaces first. Let's imagine that you have a string username and the username is equal to null. And then you have an if statement here that says if username is equal to null, then say username is equal to empty. Instead of using the if statement here and assign it a value here, we can use a null-coalescing operator instead. So what we can do instead is doing username is equal to username, and if the username is null, we're gonna assign it an empty value. So what this does is that it checks if this value is null. If this is null, assign the right placed value. If this is not null, assign username to this value. So if we try to run the code now, we can see that the username is null, and if we press F10 again, we see that the username is empty, and this is because the username is null here, and they say if this is null, assign empty. If this is not null, assign this value to that variable. We can also use a multiple coalescing operator. For example, let's say string first name is equal to Aram. What we can do then is username is equal to username. If username is null, do this operation. Assign first name. If first name is null, assign empty. So let's try it out. We can see that the first name is Aram and the username is null. So the username will be Aram. But if we assign this value to null, and we go up with the debugger and we press F10, we can see that username is oops, I have to go up here. We can see the username is null. Then we go to the next variable and the username is null here as well. So that this variable will have an empty value. And that is right. The value of this string is empty. This is a really good way to improve the code you have, writing less lines and improve the readability of your code. Thank you for watching. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.